My entire career has involved running infusion centers where we give patients medicines through an IV. When I opened the Boster Center for MS for the first time in my career, I couldn't afford a blanket service. I literally didn't have enough money in the coffers to offer our patients a blanket. We had to save for several months, and we finally saved up enough money that we could start to hire a blanket service. But I didn't have enough money to offer warm blankets. And again, we saved up our money. And I wasn't able to buy the giant, awesome ones they have in the hospitals. I found a used one that's really small. It looks like a microwave, and it warms up 3 blankets at a time. But I'll tell you something. When I am able to bring one of our patients a warm blanket, it fills my bucket. And I have so much more appreciation for what went into making that possible. I have learned gratitude, to appreciate things that I had and to really embrace the things that I have in the now. And I just wanted to share that lesson with you.